plus a major ruling from the state Supreme Court, what it means for drivers and anyone with a medical marijuana card.
Well, you've seen the billboards, drive hammered, get nailed. It's pretty clear when it comes to alcohol, but marijuana has always been a gray area until now. CBS 5's Greg Argos is breaking down today's major ruling from the state Supreme Court. Greg.
Yeah, Catherine, you know, smoking pot and getting behind the wheel, two activities that most everyone agrees should not be mixed. But what if you smoked a few days or even a few weeks ago? Until this morning, you could have been arrested for driving under the influence. As a medical marijuana card holder, J.P. Holyoke always worried about what would happen if he was pulled over days after using the green stuff.
But there's no question about it. It had to be in the back of their mind.
Until today, if you consume pot, you could end up behind bars, since inactive chemical compounds in the drug stay in your system for weeks.
Courts obtain a warrant and they're able to draw your blood, that they could test for that. It would test positive, and then you could be charged with DUI, even though you weren't impaired in any way, shape, or form.
But the Supreme Court reversed that, saying if the only thing in your blood is the non-impairing chemical, you can't be charged with DUI.
I think the Supreme Court finally got it right.
Unfortunately, what we saw here was some interpretive jiu-jitsu.
Of course, varying opinions. County Attorney Bill Montgomery says drivers could still be impaired,
Because no one knows how their individual system may metabolize marijuana.
But Michael Allerid III, whose client brought this case to the state's highest court, says the ruling proves otherwise.
If it's out of your system and you smoked days or weeks in the past, you no longer have to worry about being pulled over and prosecuted for DUI in Arizona.
Now, the important point here is also to make sure everyone knows that getting high and then driving is still completely illegal. If any of those chemical compounds, the active ones, are found in your blood, well, you're still going to get arrested. You're still going to get that ticket. We're live here in Phoenix. Greg Argos, CBS 5 News.